Hey guys, Kevin here. Let's handle some files. So, uh, the Python has several functions for handling text files, alright? And the key function for working with files in Python is the open function. So basically what you can do is, let's have a file with some text with some lines written over there. And what we can do is using Python, we can change them, we can read them, we can print lines of it, we can overwrite them, and we can also create new files and add text to it, alright? So first of all, to open a file, to work with a file, you always need to open the file. And opening the file will take two parameters, that is the name of the file. So let's say text.txt, alright, and then its mode. Now there are four modes available. One is read, append, write, and create. If you were to write read, or if you were to not give the second parameter, default value of the second parameter is read, and what read does is it opens the file for reading, and if the file doesn't exist, it throws off an error. Okay. If you write a as the mode, what happens is you can append the file. So whatever changes that you make, or if you give a command of writing on it, the text gets added to the existing content. If you were to put the mode as w, which is writing, what it does is it overrides the text. So let's say there are three lines already existing, and you were to say that let's open the file in w mode, and then let's write another line. The three lines will get deleted and the new line will exist. And then X is used for creating a file, alright? And if the file already exists, it returns an error. You can also specify two other things, which is binary and text. So if you want the file to be read in binary mode or in text mode, if it's a picture, you usually use it in binary, and if it's text, you use it. So how you can mention that is you can use RT or AT or WT or XT. It's optional, alright? Uh, Now let's head on over to Collab. Let's code it a little bit. Uh, so let's just add a file handling. All right, and let's add a code cell. Let's head on over to VS Code. Let's create a text file. All right, text.txt. All right. Hi, my let's my name is Kevin, and I love to code. Right, and I'm 19 years old. Alright, this is a sample text file. Alright, let's head on over here, and what we can do is we can import this file. So let's import this file, uh, text, and let's open it. Now open. Alright, like now first of all what you will do is you will assign a variable. So let's say we'll name it f equals to open, and then we'll paste the path of it. Alright, so to do this you can copy its path, and then inside codes you can paste it over there. Alright, and then what mode do you want it to be in? You want it to be in read mode. Alright, first of all, right now we are exploring the read mode. Alright, right, that as well. And if I were to do something like print read, or no, sorry, if I were to do something like f dot read, let's see what happens. Let's run this. Hi slash n, my name is Kevin slash n, I love to code, I'm 19 years old. Alright, that's read for you. There's another function in this, alright, that is read line, which will only print the first line. So if I were to do f dot read line, alright, let me just comment this out. F dot read will just read the first line. Alright, if I call it multiple times, if I call it the second time, what it will do is it will read the second line. So it will print hi, then in another line it will print my name is Kevin. Alright, so if it's called twice, if I were to apply a print function over here, and print function here as well, yeah, You can also apply a print function here. Let's comment this out. All right. Next thing that you have is close. So once you are done with reading, all right, you can say f dot close. It's a nice practice to maintain, and yeah, it closes the file, right? So this is uncomment this. Let's read. All right. Now let's explore the write and write mode. All right. Now for write and append mode, you just have one function, which is the write function. All right. So what happens is, let's say I copy this. All right. If I were to say f dot write Kevin is cool. All right. And then if I were to do something like f dot close, obviously. All right. And then if I were to again open the file f in the reading mode, over here it's in the writing mode, in the reading mode, and if I were to do f dot read and let's print it, let's run this, you will see that only Kevin is cool is visible now. Alright, so what happened was, all the 4 lines that we had entered over here, these 4 lines got deleted and only Kevin is cool was printed. Now let's replicate this. Alright, and instead of write mode, we'll do the append mode. Alright, append mode, where we replace this w by a, and then if we run this, uh, yeah, right now if you check, uh, the text has been changed. All right, so what we'll do is, uh, we'll upload another file. We just delete this file, right? And we'll upload this again. So text.txt right now has these 4 sentences, and if I just use run the append mode, Kevin is cool got printed over here. All right, if I were to put a slash n, and if I were to do that, now Kevin is cool, Kevin is cool is printed. All right, the file automatically changes itself. All right, um, and lastly you have to delete a file. All right, so to delete a file you need to know the concept of module. I have explained in the previous video. So what you can do import os. All right, and what you can do is you can use the os dot remove function and write f over here. All right, and let's run that. I think yeah, it has to be this. Yeah, and now if we were to refresh, I guess, yeah, it's deleted now. What we can do is we can also, so let's write this as deleting file. All right, if you wanna check if a file has been deleted, import os, obviously. If I've written it over here, if os.path.exist is, if it's true, that means that the file is still existing over there. So if os.path.exists, os.remove the file name. All right, else print file has been deleted. All right, and let's run this. Yeah, we need to obviously put this over here as well. This it exists. Yeah, it exists. Yeah, file has been deleted. Right, if I were to add the file again over here, right, and if I were to comment this out, And if I would to run that, uh, yeah, we'll need to put something over here. We'll say that print file has not been deleted. And let's run that. Yeah, file has not been because it exists over there. If I remove this, if I run this, uh, now the file is no more. If I run this, we can see that it's no more. Right. So that's basically file handling for you. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to see more of such tutorials. Give me a follow on Twitter at @KevinPKaria. And if you have any queries, feel free to send an email at ask.kevinpkaria@gmail.com.